Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chat GPT is at capacity right now. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. The first thing that we need to do is to get to our browser and get to the Chat GPT website. And in this case, it is on the capacity right now. So for a very simple fix, all you need to do is to refresh the page. You might want to keep refreshing it until you get into the login screen. However, just be careful when refreshing because you might already get into the login screen. So if you happen to refresh it, you might go back to at its capacity right now. Refreshing might take some time, but after that, you can now go back to the login screen and log in your account. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.